Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to dock music against dialogue. Let's say we are taking this clip and we want to dock a particular music against it. All we have to do is come to your Windows and click on the essential sound. If you've not seen tutorial on how the essential sound works, hit the card icon at the top of your screen to see the tutorial on how to use the essential sound panel. So you click on this particular footage that you want to work on. First and foremost, we need to balance the dialogue. So you click on the dialogue, you come to your loudness and click on auto match. It levels it up and make the frequency to be normal. So that is that. We've gotten that done. Close this panel and come back to our timeline. Pick on this angel guide. So if you play this angel guide, this is what you get.
Coming here to check here. Who are you, money?
That is it. Go back to your essential sound. You come to your window and click on the essential sound. You click on this very music because it's what you want to dock against. You can cut it to where the sound begins. You come to your music. You see a feature here called docking. This process helps you to automatically create keyframes in places where you don't want audio to be prominent, especially the music that you are laying. Unlike in the earlier version, where you have to use your keyframe to manually make your adjustment. Auto docking or docking will help you. The moment you click on it, it gives you an information on what you want to dock against, which is the dialogue. So that is why you are having this icon here. If you've not seen the tutorial on how to use the essential sound tools and how various options work, you can hit the card icon to see that tutorial. So we want to dock against dialogue because we are on the music option. Depends on the loudness of your music. We also determine how you want the sensitivity to be. So most times I use 8 as the sensitivity. Then the reduce by implies to how you want the audio to be reduced where dialogue is taking place. So where there is no dialogue, it picks up and plays through. When there is dialogue, it goes down. This also is dependent on how loud your music is. Let's take this one, -20, which oftentimes is safe. So enter. Then I use the fade to 1002 as the fadeness. This means that when it's going into dialogue, how would you want it fade? So this is how I often make the settings. So when you're done, you just scroll down, you see this generate keyframe. Click on the generate keyframe and allow it to do its job. Now, let's play.
You were outside waiting for me. I went in to take my bath. So why are you coming here to shed tears? Who are you, money?
Police, can you see what you just did? Police, that thing you did, was it good? Is it good? I'm asking you.
Oh, God.
You've seen that the music is playing. To see how this docking works, let's mute a particular section of this video. Highlight it, we pick the pen tool, then you push down. Then let's apply keyframe. A tutorial on how to use the keyframe will be made in no distant time. So subscribe to this channel and hit the notification to get notified when subsequent videos are uploaded. These are keyframes that I have applied. We move this down. Let's take this down. Now that this is done, you see there is no audio here. So we go back to our essential sound by clicking the window and click on essential sound. We come back to this music, and since we've made an adjustment to the dialogue, all we do is hit on generate. The moment it generates, you see it stops. So let's play.
What is wrong with you? Eh?
We're hearing the audio because the dialogue is on, so the audio is very faint. So let's come close to where we no longer have audio. That's it.
Look at what you did there. Look at what you did there.
It's so perfect when it comes to making adjustments to your sound effects, music, ambience, and so on and so forth. It gives you the flexibility. All you do is know exactly how you want your sound to be, and docking will help you get the desired result. I hope this tutorial helped. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Let's discuss about other features that we have in Premiere Pro. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.